Welcome, welcome. Come drive with me in Dallas, Texas, okay? Welcome, welcome. Welcome. I'm driving in Dallas, currently on road called Cedar Crest Boulevard. And they have the Dallas Zoo oh, this side as well. I'm not going to the zoo, but you'll see the zoo on the right side, the Dallas Zoo. I think it's the other direction. Oh Lord. I'm going this lane. Yeah, so this is Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard. Alright. Very country. Tend to need a little bit of a painting job. Yes, the buildings are just a little bit older, but yeah. But welcome, welcome. All right. Sometimes you find some homeless people underneath the bridge here. I think they're trying to barricade it off so persons don't squat under the bridge. Alright. I don't remember which road I'm going on now. I think it's part of 75. It was 75, I think. Yeah, so there's always a lot of traffic on this road. Okay, so I need to get into alright, so I'm gonna stay in that exit. Yeah, I have a lot of trucks here, a lot of trucks on the road here. Alright, do I want to go that direction or should I just go home? It's 11, almost 12 p.m. So you know, you have midday traffic that is causing some of this. Yeah. I'm 13 minutes away from a location I want to go to. So I guess I'm going to be stuck in this traffic until 12. But to your left is a part of downtown Dallas. Then you have on your right, you have the DART station, then the trains station. And the trains here in Dallas, it's not that long, you know, it's some little cabins, probably about 3 or 4 cabins. And they sometimes you'll see them pull up at the, you know, the stoplight with you as well. Alright, I think I changed my mind about this location. I ain't going there. I'll call her. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. This traffic is like just too much. Alright, so we're gonna go on 75. Alright, so to your left is a part of downtown Dallas, those high-rise building there. Alright, and traffic is always crazy down there. So when you can avoid Dallas, you try to do that. And there's hardly any parking space as well. Or you'd have to do parking, paid parking. Those things are expensive, especially if you're not staying that long. Crazy as 635, which is another road, but yeah, it's crazy. police vehicle up the front there, so with lights on, so when I like they'll take over one lane for whatever reason, or two lanes if it's an accident. Have Wingstop to your left. I guess the business office. What else? I think this is a section where they have you can find like, you know, Texas Health Hospital System. A lot of these are office buildings. Lucid, you know, that car company. You'll find a lot of those business places down here. This is regular lunchtime traffic. Evening time, it's awful as well. Just make sure you have extra snack in your car. Because you might be, you know, stuck in traffic for a long time some days, especially when it's raining. Yeah, you find out that that's the situation a lot of times. So you have Mockingbird Lane, Lovers Lane down this section. This crossing is what? Knox Henderson crossing or bridge. Well, 75 is a very long road. Stretch from here, so go all the way back to Timbuktu. It's like you're driving non-stop on 75. It's not bad here. It's not bad. Even though you have the congestion, you know, they have other roads that they're doing repairs on, that they're widening. So you have other options. Your right is Mockingbird Station. I don't know if that station is related to the train station as well, or bus, I don't know, bus station. We have a lot of law firms on the right, and then you have shopping malls, so as well. So your regular food court you'll find there on your right side. So the road that is across the top there is University. University. left, you have a lot of apartments. Those are pretty expensive. It's anything in the heart of Dallas, expensive in terms of renting. Right, you have like shopping centers on the right side. To the left, you have hospitals over that side as well, and office building for office for like different hospital system. You can find over there. So this section is, a section of Walnut Hill Lane. Royal Lane to your right. Around that side, you have a lot of expensive. Is Royal Lane? I think it's Royal Lane. You have a lot of expensive houses and all. Yeah, prices them through the roof. I don't know if you hear about Forest Lane. Forest Lane is also on the right. Bunch of lane all over. Yeah, the fancy bridge that they recently put up. Alright. And if you look on the left, you'll see like tons of cars over there. There's a lot of traffic on both sides. We have a heart hospital out this side called Medical City, Heart and Spine, and a bunch of food places. So every corner you turn, you can find something to eat. You just expect to be putting on weight as well. Alright. Fast foods. Texas has a lot of, them little road there. It's them road over top there, so a whole heap of them over here. Confuse you every single day. So I always have my GPS on, because after you miss a turn, it's so difficult to get back to your regular route. Or they're gonna send you on the toll, and that's gonna cost your arm and a leg on the toll road. So if you can avoid it, then avoid it. So the traffic, I don't know why the traffic is like this. but I'm gonna come off at 23. I'm gonna try to come off at the next exit up there. So yes, because this is gonna be too much for me. Alright, so 23 is gonna be, so yeah, this is the good old 75. The good old 75. And thank you for tuning in. Alright. Central Expressway. I'm gonna go over this side. I'm gonna go in front of this side. And this one with the mean self goodness. And 23 somewhere up there. So you have to look for the weak link in the chain. Whoever not paying attention. You know, look at who not paying attention, and then alright, so this man wants to go over there so you can go. Alright, and then from there just them have a little house. Sometimes they see they have, like, you know, they move in with one truck, one trailer, bring in probably like a 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom, and the other. Alright, so let me like, if you're working early in the mornings, you will have to leave out very early. You understand? You have to leave out very early to go to work, or else you'll be met up on like traffic like this in the morning time, especially when school, you know, when school starts. Well, it just started, so you know that's another struggle, but it's always a bit of a challenge. Or whenever it's raining, yeah, it's like everybody decides to just start running off the road, even when it's not too much rainfall, you know. Sometimes it's like a teaspoon of rain, it's just a drizzle, and everybody off the road. So you have to plan for those moments. Okay, so this man has a big ego problem. Yeah, a huge ego problem. So kind of coming off that road because the traffic is awful, and then go on another road that is a little clearer. So it's the man with the ego problem and BM. Oh, this a Benz? Yeah, man. And you'll find out that is something that is very, very common here in the States when you're a female driver at that some days. You know, man don't want to overtake them. You understand? Them don't want to undertake them. They don't want to overtake them because it's a problem. Fear problem. Oh Lord, look at that. Look at that. So big ego problem. Let me grab on. I haven't had Pringles in a long time. I got a Pringles this morning. What do you call it? Sour cream and onion. Yeah. What a time to be trying Pringles again. Yeah. Need something to wipe my hand. I don't have any sanitizer. Okay. Yeah, so where are we now? I have no clue. I'm somewhere in still in Dallas though. Heading towards Plano. Alright, and as the name says, Plano, flatland. Alright, flatland. But well, that takes us flat as far as me concerned right about now. Yeah. Goodness. So there's a Waffle House. I've never been to a Waffle House before. Yeah, but there's one right you know, ahead there. Don't know what's so special about it, but people always talk about it. Yeah. Waffle House and what else them have out here, so I don't know. This is Spring Valley Road. Alright. Spring Valley Road. Am I on the right road, dear Father? No, something we make the wrong turn though. Anyways, let's see where this thing takes me. I just feel like I'm on the wrong road. God, help me. That's the thing, so when you have so many roads, it's like you're confused as to which one of them is supposed to be on. Okay, I guess I was on the right one. Yeah, it confuses you. And what also confuses you is when, you know, when they're making so much road, they're building so much roads, and then GPS don't pick up the road yet, and then I tell you if you drive off, you understand? And there's a ravine or something. There's nothing there. There's no road. So this is Spring Valley Road. Alright. The Oaks at Spring Valley. This is what I'm having. I'll show you. Pringles. Not too bad. Salty though. I have to drink a lot of water. I'll give you one, but you know you're too far. Alright, so next time. Alright, let's see. these houses are like some of the older houses. You can always tell. You see them big trees here? Them about for a long time. Even though in Texas I come to realize, or in America, people them plant the tree them big, you know. Yeah man, you might be going in some communities and the community just done build. And when you look, them plant some trees, and the trees them probably about, let me tell you, I'm not exaggerating. That's why it's whenever the breeze blow, you hear they said, oh, there's a wind of 30 miles per hour or 15, and you see everything flat. Yeah man, it's because of that, because the trees don't have any foundation. You understand? No foundation whatsoever, because them bring these big trees and just put them up. So how are they expecting them to stand? So sometimes they'll be planting trees as big as, you see the ones on the side right here on the left. Sometimes they finish a community, they put up a community in like 9 months, and they have the trees them big like that. You understand, that they come and plant. So what is going to happen if you have breeze, that if me sneeze and blow at that tree, the tree are going to drop down? You understand? So it's not necessarily say the wind was that strong. Is that the tree that them plant, it not grounded properly, and then we create excitement about it, that the wind. You understand? Mother Nature. No, not Mother Nature the problem, and we are the problem, because we are planting trees that are not ready, you know. So that's just the problem. Alright, so this one here, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. I'm going to go ahead and follow. All right, I do a lot of driving around. So you can always come and hang out with me while I'm driving. All right. What's that? They're fixing this road. It seems like the people them, you know, have a bit of money around the side here. The poor people road no fix. Poor people road don't get fixed because they don't pay taxes. I'd assume something. Oh Lord. Oh, never saw the Adventist church here. Which one is this? Okay, that's nice. Which road me the pan? Gonna have to probably come and visit this one. I don't know. Of church. Much traffic. Turn lane closed. Okay, let's see. Are you really? Oh, yes, let me go. No, not to yourself. Just look familiar. I don't know. So we're gonna go on quite road is like so long as well. You'll be driving for now, from now until like coming, you're still up on quite road. I tell you, every day them have fixed road. Every single day they're fixing road. Oh, so. These are more places to eat. Shops up at Promenade. Police always hiding out the side. Yeah. Just waiting to catch you. Well, I can't say because I'm catching me already. Yeah, so I have to drive slow. Can't drive too fast. Not this slow though. Oh God. And they have more food places out here. So Walmart, you have a Shore Point emergency room. Oh, this side is called Arapaho Road. Yeah. Arapaho Road. Had some visits to do. Kind of changed my mind. Body tired. Plus, when if you go to me here, so me is going home. Yeah. So we're in Plano. We're in Plano with now. Which part we there now? I don't remember. I think we're heading out of Dallas and into Plano. We'll see police, yeah. Yeah. I remember where this is. Soon tell you. More food place, Hawaiian Brothers Island Grill. The food not taste bad, you know. Not taste good either, but it can go on. It can go on. Yeah. Fish place over to the left. More cleaners. More places to buy food, electronics, the whole 9 yards. Bank of America. Uptown community on the right. Nice houses. Alright. It's called University Place. Yeah. Gated community. And probably the house is over there. I'd say probably 500 upwards, probably 600 upwards. Let them look here. And then, road closed over here, so I come on Brazil. Then to the left, you have, I don't know, they always have some communities that's just pop down. Yeah, there's one across there. This road recently just finished building. It's been going on for a while as well. Yeah. Apartments on both sides. All Saints Catholic School on your left. I think they have a little park out that side as well, if I'm serves me correctly. They drive out so slow. So, no sense of urgency. Sam's Club on your left. Chipotle, Dunkin' Donuts on your right. As we see, I pay fast food there. A lot of fast food. Smoothie King. Can get a decent smoothie. Alright. We're looking for that. Oh, and a bunch of Tesla down here as well. Yeah, some have to watch out for them. Yeah. And I love Tesla. I mean, I tell you, yeah, in Texas here, people ask me about Texas driving. Yeah, it's crazy. Very, very crazy. So, Teslas are nice, but yeah. Let's see this chip salty. Yeah, man. It's just enough pressure. God. Thank you guys for tuning in. How are you guys doing? Then you have another medical city hospital out this side. So we're in Plano. Officially in Plano. Alright, so we're in Dallas recently. Heading into Plano. So that's a level 1 hospital. So they see everything in terms of cases. Alright, so you always want to go to a level 1 trauma hospital. They have all the services available. that man confusing. The man in the middle lane, I'm going to the right lane. Make a left turn. No, sir. Right turn. Goodness gracious. And just cut across. Him on the road. Named Mr. President. Presidente. Big church over there to your left. Alright. What the church name again? I don't know, probably an Anglican church. More food places. What's the church name again? Oh no. Arizona State University. Yeah, but how is your morning going or your evening? It's 12:35 p.m. I know every time I start talking to the chat, not always runway. I don't know, for some strange reason that's the vibe I get on YouTube here. When I start talking to the few persons that pop onto the live, they just leave. And I'm like, oh my goodness, is it that bad? Is it that bad? But so I hope you guys are doing well. Alright, hope your day is going well. Mine is. Yeah, I had some patients I was seeing. And then, yeah, traffic. I'll probably just call them and do like a virtual visit with them. Yeah, but I'm gonna go home. It's the end of the week. Hate Fridays being on the road because it's just too congested a lot of time. Yeah. But I hope your weekend will be, good, wonderful, blessed. Alright. Stay out of trouble. You'll be safe on the road. Yeah, things like that. Yeah, and this is what Cane's, Raising Cane's chicken fingers on your right. Not bad. All right, they have one love. One love. That's a Jamaican reggae slang, I would say. And you have some little places there on your left that you can shop at, for the Planet Fitness. Things like that where you can go and exercise. KFC, Dunkin' Donuts, or Starbucks. That's Starbucks. You have Whataburger. You also have a gym down this side. Membership is not that bad, but you have to pay for everything else. You have a nice little community over on your right. Not so bad over there as well. So this is Carpenter Park Recreation Center. Alright, so somewhere along here they have a school. Can never seem to figure out where the school is, but there's lights out here in the morning time and in the evening. So I don't know where the schools are. And then you have homes on your right here. I don't remember this road. Well, we're still on Coit Road. We're still on Coit Road. Yeah, we're still on Coit. And the road that stretches across there is Legacy. So Legacy. So you'll find shops of Legacy heading down on, heading down that section, you'll find it. So if you want to go to like Louis Vuitton, Peloton store, Lucid store, Tiffany store, all of those, high class locations, then you'd have to go down to shops of Legacy. You can find them, all of them down there. Alright, yeah. If you have money to go to them store, though, can't go there and broke pockets. Alright, no, you can't go there, go window shop. How many people them look for you a certain way, I don't know. You understand? I think you can't go in a Louis Vuitton and say I go walk around because I have a lot of security down there. So a lot of the stores down there have them security police officers, them just stand up down there and look. So you have to go down there and have a reason for going into the store. So it's because me know some have no money to buy them good up prices stuff there. I don't even bother look on them, you understand? No. I don't even bother look at those stores because I want to go to places that I can actually spend my money. I can't spend my money in a Louis Vuitton. Yeah, when I reach them heights there where I feel like I'm supposed to be spending so much money on a bag or shoes. Yeah. Nope. I won't do it. Can't do it. You have too much people at the road that did feel hungry right about now, yeah, man. Find other things I can probably do with my little money than to be doing that. But nothing is wrong with treating yourself every now and again, to something nice. Yeah, nothing is wrong with that. But just I say, I ain't gonna spend so much money on certain things in life when you have other persons out there who could probably benefit from one or two little, your cents. Yeah. I know one person might just look at it to say you're working it, not necessarily me working it, but in terms of persons who are able to afford it, they should be able to buy the finest, and nothing is wrong with that as well. Alright, it's good to get the finest of the finest. Just I say for me, nah, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I guess if I have a lot of money, like I'm rich, you know what I mean? Then I would be like, okay, then shopping in Louis Vuitton would probably feel like shopping in Macy's. Because depending on the amount of money you have, certain things just seem a little bit more, to you or to another person. You probably have a lot of money, but shopping in Louis Vuitton is like nothing, it's like shopping in Burlington. Some people might just look at it like that, while another person might just be like, hell no, they ain't shopping in no Louis Vuitton because the money not enough. You understand? I don't have a lot of money, so yeah, but for me that's it. Alright, so we're in Plano. Alright, so we are still on Coit Road. Yeah. Recently, so this is Ridgeview. You have Ridgeview to the right. Alright, then they recently put up some stores on the left. They're still building. They have a Kroger, they have Piada, some breakfast place, and a bunch of different things. Great Clips, that's a barbershop. Yeah, I think that's a barbershop. When you go in there, you have to choose a number and tell them what number haircut you want. I've never heard nothing like that yet. You tell them what haircut number you want. So if you want a line up, you choose the line up number 1, 2, 3. I think probably that's the one. But you have Chipotle, alright, and different stuff. Look here, seriously, I tell you about them people here, see? They simply just wait in line. Why are you gonna try to run in front of me? No, sir, I thought she wanted to come in the middle lane. I never know that this lady won't come right in front of me. I mean, I have no patience, man. None whatsoever. Goodness. Ugh. I never know this lady want to come right in front of me. This lady want to run off on the side of, alright, so we are going to go on to, oh shoot, I shouldn't drive here, Alright, so we are gonna go into, we are gonna go onto this road to McKinney. I'm gonna go into McKinney Yeah, showing a few places today. Oh Lord. Yeah. Alright. So they have some Indian stores over there that you can get your nice little good up seasoning and nutmeg and original spices. Alright, you have some office over this side, dental, really good dentist over this side. So Stone Lake Family Dentistry is very good. The staff there's a lady there. If she's not working there, me don't want my teeth clean again. When she's doing your teeth, it's like, like this lady's handling like a baby. Yeah, you don't feel anything. You don't feel anything. She's just so gentle and yeah. I always make sure I do my review. Always do my review. But she always does a really good job. Alright. Alright, so this is, we have a school up this side on your left. Alright. It's not school time, so you can drive at your regular speed. It's 45. Should I even decide to go where I'm going now? But then you have that community over there, Richwoods community. Some really nice houses over there. Yeah, some really nice houses over there. Flatland, yeah. And then you have a house to the left right here. That's the only house standing on how much acres. Like one of those plantation houses, but that person never really give up them land, you understand? So everybody else have to build around them. Then you have more people building over this side here. Alright. They're building up to your right. Yeah. Then, so we're basically in Frisco. There is a new build for houses called Tapestry. It's an Indian built architect from India. So yeah, one of those people from India. So it's over by I'm gonna drive over there so you can see what it looks like. But it has grass on the roof, so it looks really nice. It has grass on the roof. It's 2-story building, and I don't know if they're gonna allow me in there. I think they will allow me, I'm just saying. But the houses start from $1.5 million. Yeah, so you have to be super rich, I guess, to get one of those houses. But you have grass on the top, on the roof, and then on the second floor, so you can see outdoors from every room that you're in. The bedroom is like so beautiful. It's like they have all tree in the bedroom. On the balcony, they have grass up there. So when the grass start grow, you're gonna have to cut that down from the bedroom. Me can't manage. Lord have mercy. But it's so nice. You understand? It's so nice. Alright, so let me go over that side, yeah. So if the people them allow me in them place, then definitely I will go ahead and show you. Alright, I will go ahead and show you, but you have to stay on the live for this. Alright, you have to stay on the live for this. You're gonna have to give a thumbs up on the video for this one as well. A minute.
Message for 2072.
Hello? Oh, no, I remember. So this one, the one I'm going to call other people on. I am at Tapestry. Yeah, I may do a live. So I decided I'm just going to be coming over here. Let me see if they'll allow me inside. I'm not buying a house. Because well, there were two patients I was going to see, but I'm kind of too far. Yeah. I'm kind of too far out. And there was a lot of traffic. I'm not going to deal with it. So I'll do a virtual with them. All right, then. Me talk to you in a few. All right. All right. So let me see if these folks will allow pour me into their house. All right. Oh yeah. So total environment homes. So you can go online and look it up. I think. You know. And then from there, then the parcel came off. Hold on there. Shucks, I need to go and pick up. Pick up. I need to, oh, I didn't realize the time. Alright. It's 1 o'clock. I will probably go back around this side. Okay then. Well, why don't I try and shop yourself? So this one I have one starting with 2 birdie. Alright, so see the house with the grass on the top, the roof. That's $1.5 million. Oh, that one have private residence. Oh, ouch. Alright, let me go into the sales office and see. I'm going to the sales office. Probably I can do a live in there. Probably can do a live there. I can do the live. I'll come to think of it, I probably can do the live in there. Especially seeing that me know, you know. Sorry about that. Last time I had my little Osmo camera, so I was able to. The guy was fine with it, but I don't know if the live, if he's gonna allow it. So I'm not gonna try run the rest with them. Especially seeing that it's a new, you know, I think that probably would, if I had a lot of, you know, followers, and I would say, hey, you know, for my YouTube page, I want to tell the world about it. But, you know, I'm not going to go on and do no thing there. How much followers I have, subscribers I have. I don't really have that much yet. Alright, so yeah, but it's a nice, just look on Tapestry online. 1 o'clock. Oh, I need to pick up my son. Alright, so if I drive home, that's gonna be too much. So we're gonna go into this community called the Grove. That's an expensive community. And then I'll go and just wait for my son to pick him up. It's gonna be a little bit earlier than usual, but I don't want to drive back. I don't want to drive home and then having to drive back down, because that's gonna be about 20 minutes drive. So I'm gonna go into this community called the Grove. You can look at the homes. Alright, really nice homes. But with the Tapestry, as I say, you know, it's a lot of outdoor inside of the house itself. You're sitting down, you're looking through the glass, you see waterfalls, you see a bunch of rocks. You know, upstairs it's the same thing. The balcony full of grass for the kids. You can come outside and play on the balcony, play football. Yeah. So it's cool inside. It's very cool. Everything is customized, to however you want it, based on the different designs that they have. The shape of the house is different. Yeah, a bag of things that people come with. The grove is down this side. Okay. So the grove is down this side. As I said, the grove is like, oh, houses them down there nice. So we'll see. So this is Roletta Road. Alright, Roletta. Got a fire department there. This is in Frisco, Texas. Yeah. So this is it. Yeah, well, I do hope you guys are doing well, though. Yeah, I'm kind of tired. I drive every day. Driving is very tiring. Yeah. Driving takes a lot, I'll tell you. Frisco Fire Station, they're building more houses over this side. They have a school down this side. I don't remember the school. I think it's like an elementary school. Yeah. Most of these communities have like a little school beside it. So this is a high school. A high school. So depending on where you live, you have to send your child to the closest school. Alright, so we're gonna go over to the grove up that side. I think you could enter from the other side, but I'm gonna enter from this section. Grove, Frisco. And it is. Alright. So, which direction I want to go? Left or right? To the right. Straight? Alright, I understand. Let's see what's over on that side. Alright. Let's go in this section. Alright, so hope you can see. You have some community people here, them probably don't know you, or them don't know the car, so they went up and call police for you. At least I saw one gentleman did that. That was an immigrant calling police on another immigrant. Oh my word. But this is a grove. They have some really nice homes over here. Let me turn the camera so you can probably see the direction. Hold on there, bear with me. You can probably see, oh God. Alright, you can see the house and everything. These are really nice. So, yeah. And these, I think they started them, I don't know, for 600 or 700,000, Anyways, you can come and pick up your, you want something nice, you can come down here and get one. Alright, you can come and get your nice little home as well. The one here in front right here is so just nice. Oh Lord. Alright, let's go around this side. To the right. Okay. Yeah, yeah, we have some really nice homes around here. Yeah. If you don't fit in, as I said, people will call police by you. Lord of His mercy, Palm is soul. I never know them sitting here in a judge shop. Let me go around the side here. Go see me 15 around that side here. You understand? But if you realize most of the homes, like in these communities, most of the homes are, you know, you have the same, like, you know, same design or similar designs. All right. You tend to have like similar designs on them. And then from there, they're really beautiful. I don't know who to clean them. I guess you have to have, you know, when you have them house here, you have to have extra family members to help out with cleaning, or you have to get somebody to come and clean your house. You know them way there? Yeah, you have to have somebody to come and clean your house. You can't have them in house and just, yeah, you have to make sure you have the house and somebody to clean it as well. Alright, let me go. Go and go so. You understand? You have to make sure you have somebody to help with cleaning them. But sometimes you might be surprised the amount of people that live in some of them houses here, you know. Yeah. They're really, really beautiful. They're really, really beautiful. To this side. Oh, so look like a den, right? Like a den. Yeah. Oh no. Alright. You can know these are probably a different pricing. They also look like a different pricing. They might look like the smaller house. Alright, alright, then we'll make a wrong turn. Let's go here, so. Yeah. We have a nice play area. Go for them play area, bougie. No, so. Oh, Lord. Yeah. I like the design though. Designs are nice. You see, me can turn the car so you can see play area. See play area. That's the play area. I mean, I really just want the kids to go over there to play with still, but yeah, it's so fancy. A bunch of rocks and oh, it's not even real grass. Yeah. Yeah, then put on it. Anyway, and they have decent sized backyard. No, so so them place here. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. It's nice. Oh, so the one here I sell. Alright, let me show you the one where I sell. You see, the one where I sell. The one that they're selling is here, so like this one is up for sale. Alright, so the Gomez team, the number is 214-389-1663 if you're interested in buying. Alright, so 214-389-1663. So that one is up for sale. Alright. Okay. Which direction did I come from now, dear Father? Let's go this side. For sale again. Namia, Perea, or whatever that is. Yeah. If you have a lot of family members, you can get one of these and everybody can come and, hang out there. I would get one of these if I had the money, if I had the money, I would definitely get one of these. Probably not so big because I don't like too much crowd. Yeah, I love my family, but I don't love crowd like that. You understand? But yeah, it would be nice to have, if you have money and, this is what comfort looks like. Yeah, it would be nice to get something like this. But then again, you can have, you can have your family members them on the other side. Oh, seem like me done the community. Alright, let's see what's down that side. Seem like me finished out the community. I mean, I really done drive out the community, but based on where I'm at, yeah. So, and how they build the garage. They build the garage. Some of the homes, the garage is so built where it seems like you're driving into a room. Or it seems like it's a room. So the face of the house still looks beautiful. You understand? What I hope. Oh, but it's no. I think this is a school. The school that we pass. I think this is a school. So the kids will walk over to school. And that's it. So no parking school days. No parking, no parking. Alright, so the kids them have access to school in their backyard. And that's it. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful land. The only thing I wish is that, with these size homes, I wish there was more to the backyard. I wish there was a bigger backyard. I wish there was more space in between the homes. That's the only thing I wish there was more of. I think I'm supposed to spend so much money on a house and not have no backyard. You understand, no? So that's just it. But otherwise, it looks perfect. Yeah, it looks perfect. All right, I need to figure out where do I drive? So I'm come out to the people in the community because I want them to start call police for me. So them see a car driving around and the car not look like one of them. The car does look like one of us. So let's call police to come and get this one checked. It's a beautiful life. Looking for something fun to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Okay, this thing will carry me. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.